Galaxy S24 Ultra or Xiaomi 14 Ultra? We're here for a quick comparison between the two giant phones. Technical details, pros and cons, which might be your favorite. Let's see together which phone stands out in this comparison. Before proceeding with the review, please do not forget to support my channel by subscribing and liking the video for the continuation of such videos. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and Xiaomi 14 Ultra find a solid place among the flagship phones of 2024. Both phones have the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 12GB RAM and 256GB, 512GB, 1TB options. However, there are some important differences. On the screen side, the Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, while the Xiaomi 14 Ultra's screen has 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED technology. Xiaomi's screen stands out with its higher pixel density, 3200x 1440 pixels, but Samsung's screen also offers a very sharp image with a resolution of 3088x 1440 pixels. There are significant differences between camera systems. Galaxy S24 Ultra has 4 rear cameras, including a 108MP main camera, a 12MP wide-angle camera, and 2 10MP telephoto cameras. The front camera is 40MP. Xiaomi 14 Ultra has 4 50MP rear cameras. These are main camera, ultra-wide-angle, periscope, and floating telephoto cameras. The front camera is 32MP. They also cooperate with Leica, an expert in their field, and have their lenses produced by them. Here we can say that Xiaomi 14 Ultra appeals more to photography and content creation enthusiasts, thanks to its cameras with higher quality lenses and its collaboration with Leica. Another important criterion is battery capacity. Both phones have 5000 mAh batteries, but battery life performance may affect user experience. At this point, although both phones have similar battery capacity, it may differ depending on the daily usage needs of the users. There are similarities in connections and operating systems. However, Xiaomi 14 Ultra's Wi-Fi 7 support can offer faster wireless connection. Samsung's 24 Ultra, on the other hand, lags behind Xiaomi in this regard by using Wi-Fi 6E. As a result, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra promises a good experience for its users with its high-resolution screen, powerful camera, S Pen support, and newly announced artificial intelligence features. However, Xiaomi 14 Ultra draws attention in terms of price performance with its more affordable price, quality Leica lens camera features, and focus on new technologies. When choosing between two phones, your budget, photography needs, and technological preferences will be decisive. You can express your opinions about these two phone models in the comments section below the video.